of a detection I did where tile is popping up in the home. Now, it would be constantly wet and continually wet. Okay, so what I want to show you, you see this triangle, you guys, I'm pointing to? See this little triangle right here? This is the triangle. This is the leak indicator. See that triangle?
Yes.
It's sitting still.
Yes.
So if we're using water or have a leak, that would normally lost reception there for a minute. Maybe it was the plant. So this triangle sitting still. Each one of these, the line in between, see the little hash marks?
Yes.
All right. So you've got the hash marks in between. So that's 1/5 of a gallon. You see each one of these?
Yes, I see.
Yeah.
All
So from 2 to 3 is 1 gallon. The reason they do that is 0 through 10. See how this 0 is hard?
Yes.
So this starts out at 50, and when this goes all the way around, it rounds up to 60, or it's going to 60, you see? So your actual meter reading and how you read that is you go three spaces back, because it's math, right? A comma here. So that's reading 455,551.9 gallons, right? Because it's not quite to the 2.
455.
455,000. In math, we got a comma every 3 digits, right?
Right.
455,551. We went past the 1, right?
Yes.
1 night. But in reality, all you really have to do, because people use water or turn it on, you see if the triangle's moving. If it's moving constantly, you have a constant leak.
Oh.
Could be a water pipe, could be anything. If it's sitting still, you're not using water and you don't have a leak. All right. Now, what leaks and doesn't leak? So what that comes down to, your high water bill, that means either you use the water more or you have something that is leaking and then not leaking, such as a toilet, such as a water softener. These things use water and then stop using water. You understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
So that's where your focus is, not on a pipe leak. Furthermore, though, when you have pipe leaks below slab, you don't necessarily know if the pipes are leaking or not because water may or may not show up. People can lose 40, 50, 60,000 gallons without a drop of water to the surface because we have a sandy soil. When you have pipes through the attic like you do, if they're leaking, you're going to know.
You're going to know. Yeah.
You're going to know up above. You're not going to know below the floor. You're going to see it coming from above. So we've got that figured out, and that meter is set still. Now what I'm going to do for you though is I'm going to turn this on for a moment. Okay, see that triangle? I'm going to turn on a faucet. All right, I want to show you what it'd look like if you had a leak. Yeah. Use this hose bit here as well. You see how that triangle moves? It's because I turned on a faucet. But without me turning on a faucet, it doesn't move, telling me your water bill is based on usage or something periodically leaking, which is not going to be a water pipe. It's left to just something, toilet, water softener, something like that. Anything that can dispense water.